5 ways rental real estate can build wealth, give you the freedom you've always desired, and make you rich if you want. There are far more than 5 ways that real estate can exponentially build your wealth. So this is going to be part 1 of multiple parts within this series. So let's get right into it. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Matt. Welcome to the channel. I'm incredibly passionate about real estate, passive income, and cash flow. So if you like that stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. But let's get right into it and discuss number 1, which also happens to be my favorite, cash flow. Cash flow is simply the difference between rents received and expenses going out on a monthly basis. Let me give you a quick example. You receive $1,500 in rent while you expend $1,000 in expenses. Your cash flow, $500. You get to stick that $500 right in your pocket and finance your lifestyle with that $500. And guess what? Here's the best part. In most situations, tax-free. I'll get into that in just a minute. Number 2, the ultimate wealth builder, which also just so happens to be one of my favorites. Leverage, otherwise known as OPM, other people's money. With a nominal out-of-pocket cost for yourself, you can control the entire asset and reap all of the benefits while using somebody else's money. However, quick disclaimer, leverage can be incredibly dangerous if you don't know what you're doing, so please be very careful and cautious when using leverage. Number 3, infinite returns. Like I just said in example number 2, you can use leverage with a nominal out-of-pocket cost to acquire the property. You can use somebody else's money to hold and own the property while reaping all of the rewards. After a little bit of time and the property has appreciated in value, if you so wish, you can refinance the property, pulling out all of your cash. Therefore, you have $0 in the deal. What is your return? It's infinite. It cannot be measured. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say you have an investment. You invest $0. At the end of the year, you have $6,000 of cash flow. What is your return on investment? It can't be measured. It's infinite. You have 0 money in the deal, but you got $6,000 in your pocket at the end of the year. Infinite returns. Incredibly, incredibly powerful. Number 4, tax-free income. Like I said just a minute ago, all of the cash flow that you receive month over month in most situations should be tax-free. And here's why. Because of depreciation and the ability to write off all of your expenses associated with that property throughout the course of the year. In fact, at the end of the year, when you go to reconcile your numbers on your rental property, you should actually be showing, in most situations, a loss on paper, which actually means all of that cash flow that you've received throughout the course of the year, yeah, you got that right, tax-free, baby, the best kind. Number 5, the ability to write off real estate losses against your ordinary income. This one is the ultimate gravy train. If you are an active real estate investor, in other words, you manage your properties or you simply just have an active say in what goes on at your properties, by definition, you are an active real estate investor. Guess what? You get to write off up to $25,000 of rental losses against your ordinary income. However, there's a couple caveats. If you earn up to $100,000 at your normal ordinary income at your W-2 job, you can write off that up to $25,000. However, there's a sliding scale between $100,000 of ordinary income and $150,000 of ordinary income. There's that phase out period. So if you earn a touch over 150, it drops off to 0. However, there's a way around that. It's called real estate professional status. That's a topic for a different video. However, this is amazing if you own a couple properties. And like I said earlier, if by default you are a loss on paper every single year, in most situations you would be, you can take that loss and apply it to your ordinary income, provided you are active. This is an incredibly powerful concept as well, like the others that I've shared here in this video. This is an awesome video. Like I said, this is just part 1 of multiple parts within this series that I'm going to be hitting on. I'm incredibly excited about this series and passionate about this stuff. I love it, and I'm excited to get into those other parts of the series. Enjoy your day. Thanks again for your support. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you again in the next video. Thanks, everybody.